If you're running a fabrication shop, manufacturing business, or engineering company, you've probably experienced this. Your bill of materials lives in one spreadsheet, costing is tracked in another, and engineering drawings are scattered across different folders. As your products become more complex, keeping everything synchronized becomes increasingly difficult. That's exactly why I built BOM Generator. BOM Generator is a manufacturing BOM management system designed to bring your entire product structure into one place. It helps you organize multi-level assemblies, maintain a centralized component library, calculate manufacturing costs automatically, generate consolidated procurement lists, link engineering drawings directly to assemblies, and produce professional BOM reports, all from a single, easy-to-use interface. The best part is that it runs entirely on Google Workspace for free. It uses Google Sheets as the backend database and Google Drive for storing drawings and generated reports. Let me show you how it works. We're currently on the dashboard. This gives you a quick overview of your entire workspace. At a glance, you can see the total number of projects, the number of components available in your material library, and the combined value of all active bills of materials. For this demonstration, we'll use a real manufacturing example. A double-glass insulated box solar cooker with an adjustable booster reflector. Let's open the project. This is the project detail page, where the entire bill of materials comes together. On the left, you can see the complete product hierarchy. On the right, you'll find tools for managing components and engineering drawings. Instead of maintaining long, flat lists of materials, you can organize your product exactly the way it's manufactured on the shop floor. For our solar cooker, we've divided the product into several major assemblies, including the outer box frame, the inner absorber tray, the double glass lid, and the reflector assembly. Each assembly can contain its own components, and it can also contain additional sub-assemblies. This allows you to model even the most complex products while keeping everything organized and easy to understand. As your product structure grows, navigating through multiple assemblies could become difficult. That's why the application includes convenient expand all and collapse all controls. Now, let's look inside one of these assemblies. Each assembly contains the components required to manufacture that specific part of the product. Here, you can add new components from your material library, adjust the required quantity, or remove components that are no longer needed. Every component carries its own unit price from the master component library. As quantities are adjusted, the application immediately recalculates the cost of that assembly. The application continuously rolls every assembly cost upward through the hierarchy until it reaches the final product cost. This eliminates one of the biggest sources of quoting errors in manufacturing. Now, let's look at where all of these components come from. We'll switch over to the component library. Think of this as the single source of truth for every material your company purchases and uses. Instead of recreating the same material for every project, you define it once and simply reuse it whenever it's needed. Each component stores all the information required during estimation and manufacturing. That includes the component name, category, unit of measurement, unit price, brand information, technical specifications, descriptive notes, and an optional reference image. And when you need a similar component with only minor differences, there's no need to start over. Simply duplicate the existing component, make the necessary changes, and save it as a new record. Of course, many businesses already have years of component data stored in Excel or Google Sheets. That's why BOM Generator includes a bulk import feature. Simply copy your existing rows from Excel or Google Sheets, paste them into the importer, and the application automatically creates every component for you. The importer supports standard fields such as component name, category, unit of measurement, unit price, brand, and technical specifications. Once your component library has been established, creating new bills of materials becomes dramatically faster because every material is already available whenever you need it. But a bill of materials is much more than a list of components. Your engineering drawings also need to stay connected with the assemblies they're meant to represent. Let's see how BOM Generator manages drawings and sketches.
A bill of materials isn't just about numbers. Here, you can upload design sketches, CAD drawings, technical illustrations, or any other supporting documents directly into the project. Once uploaded, those drawings become part of the bill of materials itself. If a particular drawing belongs to the reflector assembly, you can link it directly to that assembly. Once your product structure is complete, the next challenge is procurement. One of the biggest frustrations with traditional bills of materials is preparing a purchasing list. This application eliminates that entire process. With a single click, the application generates a consolidated material list for the entire project. Instead of listing the same component multiple times, duplicate materials are automatically merged into a single entry. For example, if plywood is used in the outer box frame, the reflector assembly, and the double glass lid, the application combines those quantities automatically. The result is a clean procurement list showing exactly how much of each material needs to be purchased. But manufacturing rarely stops at building just one product. Perhaps your customer orders 10 units, or 50, or even 100. Recalculating every material requirement manually would normally take considerable time and introduce unnecessary risk. That's where the global multiplier becomes incredibly useful. Simply enter the required production quantity, and the application instantly scales the entire bill of materials. Every component quantity is multiplied automatically, every material total is recalculated, and the overall project cost updates immediately. Once your bill of materials has been finalized, the last step is generating a professional report that can be shared with clients, suppliers, or your production team. With BOM Generate, that's as simple as clicking the Generate PDF button. The application automatically compiles your complete project into a well-structured PDF report. It includes the complete assembly hierarchy, every component used in the project, quantities, costs, and the engineering drawings you've linked throughout the product structure. The generated PDF is also saved directly to your Google Drive, making it easy to access, share with your team, or keep as a permanent record for future revisions. If you'd like to use BOM Generate in your own business, then watch the 3-minute setup video shown here, also linked in the description below. If you have any questions about the software or would like to see additional features in future updates, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this demonstration helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tools, automation ideas, and practical solutions built specifically for manufacturers and engineering businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.